Hi peeps, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This time Daiglin with you as always to entertain you all with my witty humor and jokes. So jokes apart, I know it's been a while since my last video. It's because of my hectic work schedule, and as you all know, it is summer and vacation has started. It's been a week since my school has closed and the children are having a blast of their own, we are headed to my brother-in-law's place wherein all the cousins are going to have a blast. So well, this is okay, fine, he's done with flexing, and those are my boys back. So like we're going to have lunch, and then a series of events will take place eventually, and I will give you a glimpse on how we are going to have a blast with my sister-in-laws and the little buddies. So stay tuned and do give your love and support and share my videos. While filming this video, I noticed something very similar. I thought if you all have noticed it, do you want to see the color coordination of our clothes? He is wearing an olive green and I'm wearing a pista green. He always makes sure that he copies my clothes, and then later he will say, oh, it's a coincidence. No, it's not a coincidence. He loves me a little too much, so he color coordinates and copies my color. I always almost show drama whenever I have to meet my sister-in-law, but once we are together, it's always amazing and we have a mega blast. And this hot is giving me goosebumps. So yep, so we are here. The guys are going. They'll leave me, so we'll meet in some time. Okay, I'll introduce you to my sister-in-laws and brother-in-law. Yes, we have reached the destination. All right, I'm taking a reverse. Here, guys. We can remove the mask. Safe now. Yes, I'm going to introduce you all to my in-laws. We have a little bit of children having fun in the playground, so yes. I should always remember to take it in landscape form. There goes my hubby darling. I'm coming. Wait for me. Gosh, it's really, yeah. All right, we've reached. Mihab, you need to move, Mihab.
I built everything back and I even fixed the problem.
What's such annoying people say? Okay, where is everyone? Hi, she's looking at me. Hello, Mimzu. Hi. Hello. Okay. All right, so here are the guys. Hi, Michelle. Say hi. How are you? Okay. So this is my brother-in-law. Busy on the phone all the time. This is my other brother-in-law. Everybody is very hungry. By the way, in the parvadi ivide. Hi, Kunni. I just kind of love her plant collection. My eyes are always on the plants. It's kind of dark because... Oh, hi, Mehku. Hi, how are you?
Hi.
Yeah, these are my lovely children. My children only, but you are not my child. Okay, I gave up you. Okay, Ruby is my sister-in-law Ruby is planning to make something. Ruby, what are you planning to make?
Don't show me.
No, she doesn't want to show herself. Okay, look at this man. Okay, what are you planning to make? Advara?
I'm gonna make fruit salad.
She's going to make fruit salad. So she is peeling off the apples. All right, she's chopped the apples. And still yet to come. She makes such yummy, delicious puddings. But she doesn't want to show her own self because she's not in a good, ready to come and face the camera. Probably later on, where she applies makeup, you won't be able to understand her. Until then, you guys just be, satisfied with what she is doing. Okay, sorry, who's back? So we are going to fry the pappets. Sorry, papadam. Pappets. Pappets. And side by side, mango slicing. Sorry, mango peeling. Yummy mangoes. Lot of effort for slicing these tiny bits, so that
Not tiny.
not that tiny, yeah, but
Because
in
it's too
biteable form.
Chicken mana?
Mutton biryani.
Chicken mana? From Palace.
Yes, from the Arab's palace.
Chicken.
There we have
Chicken.
potato wedges and most probably lamb chops. Not sure what it is. All of them busy in the mobile. Look. Okay, so we've added condensed milk, Puck Nestle's fresh cream with the nuts like raisins, cashew and almonds.
No, I didn't
looks
add raisins, okay? I've added only almonds and cashews.
Almonds
You can
and
even
cashew.
add dates.
Yes, we can add dates too to give a little bit of improvisation to it. And after this, we are going to chill it to a very nice freezing temperature so that it can be half of pudding and a little bit of an ice cream form. Okay, see you later. This is our lunch for the children and us. Papadam, beef vartadu with with the coconut and ghee rice. So we are headed to my sister-in-law's friend's place. We have bought a lovely gift for her, and so she's driving. The place is located in Alvarka, so let's go there. Swap your legs too. Come on, reach. We're waiting for you to reach. Ah, good. Good. Yeah, good boy.